In a world where extravagance too frequently collides with capability, few cars live this dualism as completely as the Mercedes AMG G63. Even this luxury and power icon, however, is not exempt from being remade. Meet Mansory, celebrated for creating show-stopping, ultra-rare automotive works of art, whose latest work defies the boundaries in every possible manner. Dubbed the Grand Entrée, this long-wheelbase G63 is more than a stretched SUV in appearance. It's a rolling showcase of aggressive styling, luxurious trim, and raw mechanical muscle. Currently offered for sale by Mansory's Dubai showroom, this stunning vehicle will surely turn heads for anyone desiring the ultimate in driving overstatement. A menacing matte gold finish strikes the eye from the outset. While the G-Class is a common sight on UAE roads, this vehicle is well beyond mere status symbol. Its humongous size, privately tailored nuances, and mirror-like finish elevate it to a whole different class. The wheelbase extension adds both practicality and visual appeal, offering a more regal line and a massive increase in room within. It is here that space can be provided for two luxurious rear captain's chairs, created for the ultimate in personal luxury and dignity. Mansory's redesign approach is more than mere cosmetic retouching. Nearly every body panel has been revised to convey a more aggressive and muscular disposition. The front fascia features a custom grille flanked by LED daytime running lights with a menacing look that complements the G-Class's brutal performance. A new hood imparts aerodynamic character while providing visual continuity with the fresh front and rear wheel arches, now humped for dominant presence. Visual drama continues at the rear, where suicide-style doors create a ceremonial entrance to the opulent second-row cabin. Lower down, side-exiting tailpipes in black chrome contribute a distinctive growl and further distinguish this creation from garden-variety G63s. The matte gold wheels, precisely matched to the body color, contribute to the vehicle's design unity and complete its flashy exterior theme. Inside, the makeover is even more dramatic. Cream-colored leather envelops the cabin, rich brown accents, and contrast stitching. The seats, with intricate pattern and ergonomic design, show attention to both comfort and craftsmanship. A bespoke rear console sits between the captain's chairs and holds climate controls, cup holders, and storage space, all clad in premium leather and carbon fiber. Colored LED ambient lighting adds a vibrant touch to the interior, changing the cabin mood to any preference: peaceful relaxation or vibrant nightlife. The Grand Entrée is not only breathtaking with visual and tactile excess, it's also gigantic in performance. Underlying this stretched beast is a re-engineered 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Mansory's tuning prowess has brought production to an incredible 820 horsepower and 885 feet of torque. Although exact performance is not announced, expectations are high. This level of power puts the car solidly in supercar territory, faster than most traditional sports cars, yet still offering unparalleled practicality and off-road capability. Though the G-Class platform has always been admired for its toughness and off-road ability, the Grand Entrée takes the integration of luxury and performance to a new level. Even with its increased length and opulent trim, the car is still an able trailblazer, equal to the challenge of tackling the sand or making a memorable entrance at any five-star hotel. The unabashed duality of purpose is truly remarkable. No longer must luxury travelers or adventure seekers choose between refinement and ruggedness. This SUV brings both worlds together under one stretched roof. To its air of exclusivity is added its scarcity, or lack thereof. Sold exclusively through Mansory's Dubai dealership, this model is built for a market that knows and demands the best. In a region where luxury vehicles jam the roads, it would take something extraordinary to truly be noticed. The Grand Entrée G63 accomplishes this, not just with its shining gold finish, but with the beauty and sophistication in every detail of its appearance. From its monumental presence to its handcrafted cabin and brutal performance modifications, the Mansory Grand Entrée G63 is not simply a tweaked SUV. It's a mobile monument to excess, a showcase of craftsmanship pushed to the extreme, and a testament to what happens when car engineering meets the raw enthusiasm to create something divine. Whether cruising down the desert highways or blocking outside a high-end hotel, it demands attention like few cars. In a world already filled with luxury SUVs, creating a car that makes eyes pop is no simple feat. And yet Mansory has done just that, taking an already iconic G63 and transforming it into a valuable automotive sculpture on wheels. Priced to be well into the stratosphere, this car is not just a means of transportation. It is a statement of intent, of personality, and of unrelenting ambition. This G-Class makeover is a testament to what can be achieved with bespoke tuning. Each element, ranging from the aggressive exterior to the luxurious interior and earth-shaking engine, comes together into a car for those who refuse to accept mere luxury. It's a celebration of what occurs when imagination, talent, and a dash of audacity meet in the realm of high-performance car design. With its advanced braking systems, bespoke suspension parts, and electronic drive aids tuned to its particular weight and power band, the Grand Entrée delivers more than brutish force. It delivers an unexpectedly refined ride, combining the unyielding road presence of a G-Class with the poise of a modern luxury saloon. Acoustic insulation has also been enhanced so that the inside feels like a cocoon even at high speeds. No small feat in a car built like a fortress. For the fortunate few to enter, the cabin opens as a wheel-mounted lounge. Beyond its custom seating, climate-controlled drink holders, and hidden storage spaces, the car combines cutting-edge infotainment systems with voice, touchscreens, and connectivity for all available devices. The people in the back, most definitely the engineered VIPs of this vehicle, enjoy individual media screens, privacy glass, and soundproofed comfort, making every ride a chauffeured one. This is not a car for the masses. It's a statement car, a collector's item, and a mobile luxury suite all rolled into one. Destined for a royal driveway, a celebrity personal collection, or a billionaire desert compound, the Mansory Grand Entrée G63 is the epitome of bespoke automobile excess. Its presence defies conventional definitions of what an SUV can be, combining the adventurer's attitude and the sense of exclusivity. In so doing, it doesn't only reinvent the G-Class, it places it within the domain of an art form. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And of course, stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you next time.